Hey guys, this is Ben with Hesitant Homesteader, and we finally got a nice day. I think I heard on the radio the other day it was like 60% of our month of June so far has had rain, which is kind of unusual here. We get rain, but it's been extremely stressful for a lot of the local farmers. But today we are focusing on a garden expansion. We're going to expand the garden and plant some potatoes. It's a little late for the potatoes, but we're going to go ahead and try it. So the expansion's mainly for next year, but we're going to attempt the potatoes because we already had the starters. And project number 2 is this table. We had a windstorm that took the umbrella, and the umbrella went up and smashed the glass. So I'm going to try to put a new top on it. I'm going to use some plastic lumber that I got from work at Carter Lumber, and we'll go from there.
Holy mackerel!
Oh, no!
What are you guys doing?
Picking mulberries?
Got mulberries?
Yeah, you got mulberries.
You got one too?
And don't eat them bad or them will spot all over your hands. See, all on this tree is mulberries.
We have lots of mulberry trees, don't we?
Yeah. Oh, make it go super fast. See?
Thanks for the lesson. Hey man, you must have big muscles. You have really big muscles? Can we see them? Oh yeah. Man. Oh, you got big muscles too?
Hey, you want to help me?
Oh, got rid of muscle.
Thanks for carrying the board.
You're welcome.